Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a topic that's buzzing with potential and shaking up industries left and right: blockchain. So, what exactly is blockchain, and why is everyone from your tech buddy to big corporations talking about it? Let's break it down. First off, blockchain is essentially a digital ledger. Imagine it as a book where you can write down transactions, and once written, the entries can't be erased. This ledger isn't stored in one place but is distributed across a network of computers, making it highly secure and transparent. Now you might be wondering why all the hype. Well, blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its magic doesn't stop there. Its potential stretches far beyond just digital currencies. Think about this. In supply chains, blockchain can be a game changer. By providing a transparent record of every product's journey, it can help verify authenticity and improve efficiency. No more guessing where your stuff comes from or if it's the real deal. And then there's voting. Imagine casting your vote in a way that's not only secure but also completely traceable and tamper-proof. Blockchain can make this a reality, ensuring that every vote counts and is counted correctly. Healthcare is another field ripe for revolution. With blockchain, medical records can be securely shared between healthcare providers, giving doctors a more comprehensive view of patient history without compromising privacy. But it's not all roses yet. The technology is still in its infancy, and there are challenges like scalability and energy consumption that need addressing. However, the continuous advancements in blockchain tech are promising. So, what's the takeaway? Blockchain isn't just a tech fad. It's a promising technology that could redefine trust and transparency in our digital age. From making transactions more secure to revolutionizing entire industries, blockchain holds a promise of a more transparent, efficient, and secure world. If you're as excited about the future of blockchain as I am, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.